Good morning friends. Today again we have come over here in our Forklift Training Center, and in a very rough situation, very rough and tough situation, we are learning the forklift here. I must say, in our locality or in our country, especially in this state, okay, we hardly have any good or any highly sophisticated company where we can have the this training organized. But anyway, this organization is not bad, but so it's going on with the infrastructural setup and all these things. We are trying our best to get the education or the learning procedure perfectly, and so we have managed to understand how the pallet is getting uplifted and put on a odd position, and from there how the pallet is getting up and carrying out of the place. Let's see. One of our students is trying to take out the pallet from this drum as using as a platform, because we don't have the platform over here and again he is re-putting it on this drum. Just to observe.